Good morning, friends. Let's go ahead and do calendar today. We are in the month of August. Say that. August. Good. Now we are going to do something different. We are going to clap this word August to see how many syllables are in that word. It should go like this. Ready? August. I clap 2 times because there are 2 syllables in that word. Do that with me. August. Good job. Okay. So we're in the month of August, and yesterday was August the 30th. Today is August 31st, 2020. I am going to write that right here. August 31st, 2020. Now it's kind of a special day because today is actually the last day of August. Tomorrow we're going to change months. We're going to be in September come tomorrow. So when you come back with me for calendar tomorrow, our calendar is going to look a little bit different because we're going to be in a brand new month. All right, let's keep going. So I said it's August 31st, 2020. The day of the week today is Monday. Can you clap that with me to see how many syllables are in that word? Are you ready? Monday. How many did you get? You should have clapped 2 times because there are 2 word parts in the word Monday. Now, if today is Monday, that means that yesterday was Sunday and tomorrow will be Tuesday. All right, let's look at our weather. Right now, we're in the season of summer. And the weather is sunny and hot, which is what you could expect in summer. Now, as our seasons change in September, you're going to be seeing our weather changing as well. All right, let's keep going. There's a couple new things that we are going to do today. We are going to talk about our number of the day. Before we do that, I almost forgot. We have to see how many days we've been in school. Every day we add a straw. If I add 1 more straw to 18, that makes 19 days of school. So I'm going to count my straws just to make sure that we have 19 straws here. You can count with me. We've got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. 19 days of school. All right, now we are ready for our number of the day. Every day this week, we are going to talk about a new number because that's one thing we're working on in math right now is learning what our numbers are. The number we're going to talk about today is the number 0. Can you say that? 0, that's right. I'm going to put our number right here, okay? And if you notice, I've got a spot here and a spot here. This is where I put the number that's 1 less and the number that's 1 more. Well, there is no number that's less than 0, so I'm going to leave that blank. But there is a number that's 1 more than 0, and that is the number 1. And also for our number of the day, we're going to do several different things. This is where we're going to put tallies for our number. Well, our number is 0. So I don't have to put any tallies today because 0 means nothing, okay? Same thing for our 10 frame. This is what it looks like when there is 0 in our 10 frame. And we call this a 10 frame because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in the frame, all right? And each day with our number, you're going to see how these change. Also, we've got a domino that we are going to show for our number. And since our number is 0 today, I'm still going to leave that blank, okay? Now tomorrow, when you come back for calendar, our number is not going to be 0 anymore. It's going to be bigger than 0, so you're going to have to wait and see what that number is. Let's keep going with calendar, okay? I've also got some words up here. We've talked about these words already. Can you help me read them? I'm going to point to it. I want you to read it. Are you ready? I, A, am. Good, let's do that again. I, A, am. Great job. And we've also got something new. We are talking about patterns in kindergarten right now. And a pattern is something that repeats. Now, right here, I have a pattern, okay? This pattern is of my chain links. And as you can see, it's two different colors. I have the color blue and the color red. And it repeats. Watch. If I read this pattern, you'll see blue, red, blue, red. Did you hear that? Let's do it again. This time we're going to figure out what comes next in our pattern. Blue, red, blue, red, blue. Blue is our next one. So I'm going to get a blue link and I'm going to add it to our pattern chain. And I'm going to put it back up here because tomorrow we're going to have to add another link. So we're going to have to be thinking about what comes next in our pattern. All right. Also, really quick before we go, let's review the shapes that we already talked about last week. We talked about a square. Say that. Square. Good. And circle. I want you to say that. Circle. Triangle. Say that with me. Triangle. We have a rectangle. Say that with me. Rectangle. And the last shape we learned is oval. Say that. Oval. Good. All right, friends. Thank you so much for joining me for Calendar today. Have a good day.